Get your tools ready because I'm about to hit you with some amazing ideas that will upgrade your home. Fish table. Nothing like a glass table / fish bowl to liven up your living room. With a little bit of elbow grease and some leftover pipes, putting together this table will be a breeze. Your only expense will be the glass slab, aquatic plants, and the beautiful fish. Shipping container pool. This design is the swimming pool alternative you've been looking for. This pool is made completely out of a repurposed shipping container lined with fiberglass. It comes ready-made and all the customer has to do is connect it to their water supply. Canopy stairs. You don't need a treehouse to appreciate the convenience of the canopy stair. All you need is a tall tree with limbs big enough to sit on. This modular stair system allows you to attach as many stairs as you desire to your backyard tree and easily disassemble it once you're done. House hammock. Create the perfect space for reading and relaxing by turning the upper layer of your house into a giant hammock. You might need a whole construction crew to pull this one off, but if you can pull this one off, it just might be the home upgrade you never knew you needed. Outdoor shower. Nothing like an outdoor shower to beat the heat on a hot summer's day. Now, I will admit that constructing a pressure-sensitive shower pad will require a good bit of technical know-how, but if you can pull it off, the end result is extremely satisfying. Garden table swing. Why settle for an average outdoor sit-out when you can get some of your handiest friends together and build a fixture worthy of a luxury hotel? I recommend putting together this beautiful garden table fitted with swing sets. I mean, just look at it. Stair slide. Children sure do love to slide down stairs. Here's how you make sure they don't break any bones while doing it. Introducing the semi-permanent children's slide for indoor stairs. Install it for some safe playtime on the stairs and take it down when they're done. Rock climbing wall. Make your backyard even more fun by assembling your own handmade rock climbing wall. This one is exactly as daunting as it sounds, although once you're done with the hard part, setting up the foundation, placing the rocks for the wall looks just about as fun as climbing it. Compact garden. If you have a smaller garden space, then this is for you. These drilled-on planters don't just let you save on some space, they serve a second purpose as well. Layer them properly and you can create a good drainage system that keeps the plants below healthy and watered. Stretch ceiling. Rejuvenate your old and tired ceilings with a stretch ceiling. This flexible elastic canvas comes with more benefits than just looking good. They are easy to clean, there is no cracking, flaking or peeling of paint, and they are waterproof, protecting your room from leaks, and installation is a breeze. Garden igloo. Get yourself an aesthetic rainproof and windproof nook in your garden with the Garden Igloo. You can set this baby up in less than 2 hours. It's pretty much made up of several panels with a transparent tarp over it. You don't need an engineering degree for this one. Doll Smart Storage. Optimize your storage space with the Beam It Up Smart Storage System by Doll. With a little bit of installation, you can elegantly use the space under your ceiling as a storage area. You can store anything from clothes, books, and shoes completely out of sight. Contemporary banisters. Thinking of remodeling your home? Try giving your banisters this amazing contemporary look by going horizontal. I recommend knowing what you're doing before destroying your stairs, but these round bars will certainly upgrade your home. Everblock. These are essentially life-size Legos, but they aren't just for fun. Everblock is a modular system of building blocks that can be used for pretty much any construction you want. Build a wall, a dining table, a step stool, and disassemble it just as easily.